This is comment on the management. From the last one we talked about rating, where we use this. So this is where we'll be giving comment. Since um, this account of the author of this article, remember this is the article, this is the post. Let me use another user to add comments. I found this post very helpful. Okay, a good comment. So save. It's not real time. So refresh to reduce overload and work overhead load on the server. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to talk about reactions later. No, this is only for comment. Actually, you can reply. So each comment can have a reply. I say, thank you. Thank you. Alright. So this is how you have it. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Wow, I think that's a bug. Alright, it's actually a bug. I'll correct that. Refresh. The reply was actually given by this person. I wonder why is it. Wow. This is very wrong. Okay, is a bug. I will correct that. Maybe in the next video, I'll let you know that it's solved. So let's check out this. Refresh. Comment. One of these things. Very helpful. I find it very helpful. Where is this? Very helpful reaction. Okay, I don't think I have replies. It's only comment I have. Okay, I don't have reply yet. That's okay. Let me note it. Replies, then comment. Alright. So you will not see that. Very helpful. I know that. Okay. I think so. It will tell you which comment is for which post and who made that comment. Very simple as that. I think that's all for this. This will be corrected. So it's supposed to be by this user, not the owner. So it's actually a bug. Okay, on to the next. We'll look at reaction. Remember that you can also comment on pages. Where is that? Let me show you. You can actually comment on pages. Yes, you can add comment on pages as a plan a website. Let me even show you what I mean by that. Please read my page. Let me know whether it happens on this as well. Pages. Code. Can I still remember the code? I thought I removed this. I don't know. Okay, fine. Okay, I think I still remembered it. Yes. So let's reply this person. It's a page, so it doesn't have all the reactions. Another thing you should note that the reactions only happens on posts, not on pages. Tell me Let's see what I to do that. Yeah, it's a bug. Actually a bug. It's actually a bug. Okay, on to the next. I think that's all. Oh, we're done with comments. Next will be to show you how to use reactions. That reaction should be on this. Yes, these reactions. Yeah, these reactions. All right. See you there. Thank you.